Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be learning the O and O sound, double O sound. In our previous lesson, we learned the U sound where we learned that we have three different U sounds. Going to our topic for the day, which is related to the U sound O and O. We have two different ways we pronounce these vowels, O and O. We have the short sound and the long sound. The short sound of this O and O, you pronounce it by making your mouth round, just like the short U sound. Oh, oh. Did you get it? And then the long sound is pronounced as U, U. Did you get it? So let's go with some examples so that we'll get the short and the long sound clearly. For the short sound, we have kirk, k, k, kirk. We have hook, word, word. Did you get it? And then for the long sound, we have boots, cool, food, boots, cool, food. Did you get it? Thanks for joining our today's class. Don't forget to share with family and friends.